Today we are making Mexican margaritas. We're just making a dragon fruit one actually. We're going to be using the Happy Way dragon fruit fat burner in this. We've also got some acai powder. We've got 1 cup of frozen dragon fruit, 1 cup of frozen pineapple. We're going to be using the juice of 1 lime and 1/2 cup of coconut water because we want to keep it quite icy, kind of like a slushy. We don't want it too runny. So if it starts to get quite runny, just add in some ice to this recipe, which I've also forgot to put here. We do need ice as well, so I'll get that. So to make it, all you need to do is chuck it into your blender and blend it until it's nice and icy and like a slushy consistency. Pour it in your glasses and there you have a delicious dragon fruit margarita cocktail.